one. Okay, so judging from the title, you know what's gonna happen in this video. Yes, so the dollar store, it's my number one. Not really number one, but you know, I shop there often to get the little nicks and knacks that you know, at an affordable price. Yes, so okay, so welcome if you're new here, and yeah, please come again, you know, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I went to the dollar store and I got a few goodies from the dollar store, you know, things that you know, cheap but still good quality. Okay, so my first purchase is the I'm just gonna get into it and just stop the talking. But yes, first item is this I don't know if you can see it. Okay, there we go. It's designer paper. It's designer paper, and these are the different colors. These are the different designs or pattern that you get. So it's still, so it's like this. Can I open it? You see? Ew. So the different designs, patterns. Can you see? I hope so. And yeah, so and this is just a file. It's just a plain white file, and as you can open it, you open it, and this is how it goes. So I got a plain white file, and I got these designer papers, and you know what's gonna go down. You can use different patterns to, that's what I'm gonna do, to cover the file back and front, and I'm gonna create something with this file. Maybe I'll let you know, maybe I wouldn't, but I'll tell you in the next video what I make. So yeah, so I got these two, and I think it's just $1, and this one is like $4, and this one has 24 different pages. Okay, so and of course I got my new sticky tags. These ones, it's $1.25. So I'll be working on something very educational, and yes, I just went to the dollar store and grabbed those few goodies. My puncher, paper puncher. Yeah, so school, if you're going to school, you know, don't forget there's a dollar store. Okay, and so my next dollar store purchase, it's the Maui Moisture, and this one is volcanic ash detoxifying shampoo, and I have the conditioner as well, the Maui Moisture volcanic ash. And you know, I think they were $4 a piece at the dollar store, $4 each, and you know, it's cheaper there at the dollar store. It's more affordable, and versus if you buy it like in a beauty store or on Amazon. So it's cheaper at the dollar store, and it's good. I've used it in my natural hair, and I like the way my hair feels. It have my hair feel, and it's sulfate free, you know, and yeah, cleanse your hair, and it's good. So you can try it, and I got it at the dollar store. So hey, so it's a good find. You can go and find things, and I think the dollar store is upgraded now, so it's no longer kind of thrifty on the cheap end side, you know, but have some good stuff, quality stuff there as well. And I also got me a cheesecloth. So if you make like juice, smoothies, and yeah, if you do lots of blending, the cheesecloth, you can get a cheesecloth at the dollar store, and I think it's just $1.25. You can get it there. And yeah, I think there's 3 yards of cheesecloth here, and I think that's a really good find at the dollar store, and it's 100% cotton. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. I also got me lens cleaning product, wipes for my lens, because you know I wear my glasses. Let me go and get my glasses and come back. Okay, where is it? Where is my glasses? So I normally, these are my glasses. Wear my glasses. So when I'm not, well, yeah. So the lens cleaners, it works for my glasses, and yeah, and it also works for my phone, you know, cameras. If you have the camera, lens cleaners. So there are 20 moisten wipes, and it's for $1.25. Can't go wrong at the dollar store, okay? And I have more stuff. Yeah, I went in a haul, and paper. I have my paper, 125 sheets of rule sheets, so it's already ruled. Okay, and yeah, like I said, I'm gonna do something with my paper file and pattern paper that I just showed you, and yeah, and I think I have more stuff. So so I went on, and I like tea. I like drinking tea, especially in the morning time, like when I just wake up. I like drinking tea, and sometimes at night. I am a tea person, and I love tea. So anyway, I find I put teacups. I just love teacups, and this one also I got it from the dollar store, and it says Mother of the Year. If you can see, the words on the cup is like gold, and I like gold. You know, I'm a goldy person. I like gold, and I got me this one for my son, and I just like the design on it with the circles, the blue, the lines. It just yeah, it's nice, small, neat, nice. He likes it. So yeah, at the dollar store you have good things. I bought some other stuff as well, but yeah, and there, the dollar store, they have a variety of different books as well. So this one is a great big word find. It's like a puzzle book, and I got it for my son, and he liked doing the puzzles, and well, at first he never really was into it, but then, you know, puzzles, I think puzzles is a good way of helping the kids to spell words, and you know, by doing the word find, and you know, and it's a big print. They can see the different words, and my son, he's 8, and this is the words, they are appropriate for his age group, and yeah, it helps him to spell, and it improves their vocabulary. Yeah, so go hunting, go at the dollar store, utilize the books at the dollar store. And yeah, if you have kids especially, you know, don't just sit and wait on the teachers. Go out, get books, get stuff, you know, so that they can learn at home. Okay, so yes. And I found myself a peeler. Yeah, you can peel your fruits, your vegetables, and make a nice salad. You know, those fancy salad that you'll be seeing. You can make your own salad. Yes, with this peeler, they are 3 in the pack, and they are like for $3. You know, you don't have to go to any fancy Home Depot stores and get this, because I think they are more pricey elsewhere. You know, so you can, and it's good quality. It lasts long. And this video is not an ad for dollar store, okay? So I'm just doing a quick dollar store haul to show you how much things that you can, you know, different things that you can find out the dollar store. And just don't underestimate the dollar store, especially if you have kids, you know. And you could even go to the dollar store, you could get your pots, your pans, like, you know. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video. Why do I always say that? White people always say, oh, thank you so much for watching my video. You can always watch my video anytime you want. Feel free to watch my video anytime you want, but go and subscribe, okay? Thank you. What next do I have in my dollar store bag? I got the jade roller. Hey, so at the dollar store, finding the jade roller at the dollar store, man, you just don't know. So are you familiar with the jade roller? It's you know, an ancient beauty secret that they use to you know, smooth your skin out. And this one, it's have weight on it, and I like the detail. I like the green, the emerald green. I like the gold, you know, you got the gold going on. Yeah, so ooh. And this is how you do it. Normally, you can put your beauty products on your face, or you could just no beauty products, like a moisturizing cream, and you just massage it in. Or you just need to just give your face a little massage. And outside it's feeling chilly right now, and this stone, it's feeling a bit cold, and it feels so refreshing on my face right now by just doing this. So yes, the jade roller, it some places, you know, you get them for like 25 Canadian, 30 Canadian. I don't know about the US, but it will be much more pricey at certain places in the US. But come on, at the dollar store, this is a good buy. It is definitely good buy. I mean, the quality, it's really sturdy. And the stones, amazing. Okay, amazing. The jade roller at the dollar store, just $4. Just, it's 4 Canadian. Okay, so feeling so refreshing, I'm telling you. So when I see that, went into the dollar store and I see the jade roller, I was like, you're coming home with me, not leaving you there. So yeah, so that's the end of my dollar store haul. Until next time, yes guys, and it's always a pleasure having you here with me. Like my video, share my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for all the love and support in my other videos, my hair videos, my my hair videos, my natural hair care videos, my braid videos. Yes, I have it going on. And yeah, so that's the end of my dollar store haul. And you know, thanks so much for watching. And yeah, always come back. Feel free, leave your comments, you know, of things that you find at the dollar store, you know, where your dollar store is located, because I guess, you know, different dollar stores have different stocks. I think it depends on your location, I guess. So yes, and yeah, so that's it, and I'll see you in my next video. So peace out till next time. Bye.